Now, your first warm weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. Hopefully you're staying dry out there despite this morning's wet start. You can see that on a Mercy L SkyTrack camera overlooking downtown Rockford. Some areas are also dealing with reduced visibility because of the rain and also some patchy fog that has developed this morning. So that's why it's going to be essential for you as you make your way out into the roadways. Just give yourself a little extra time getting to your destination. Otherwise, mostly cloudy out there. As we take a look now at satellite and radar, you can see that we did have that round of showers and thunderstorms move in overnight. Pockets of light to moderate rain have been falling into this morning across the state line. But you can see now the line of the heaviest showers now making their way north of the Rockford area. Now, most of the heavier rain is up in southern Wisconsin. So if you're going to be traveling north into southern Wisconsin, also that's why it would be a good idea to give yourself extra time for your morning commute. Behind these showers, looking pretty dry with just scattered activity. We are watching as this warm front to our south continues to lift slowly northward towards our area. And once that warm front makes its way in, especially since it's going to be lifting north by the afternoon, that's not only going to bring dry conditions for the afternoon, but much warmer temperatures than what we've been dealing with the past couple of days. So let's time out the rain using Futurecast. You can see as we head towards the late morning hours, that's when we'll start to see activity begin to wind down. Shortly after mid-morning, we should start to see a few scattered showers, but as we head into the early afternoon, that's when that warm front's going to be making its way into northern Illinois, and you can see all the clearing that's behind that warm front. Now, as we head into the late afternoon and into the early evening hours, that warm front is going to be lifting north of the area. So you can see that it does bring some clearing, and that's going to help temperatures warm into the low 70s this afternoon, or right around the 70-degree mark, all thanks to that southerly winds that strengthen behind the warm front. Now, you also notice that there's a line of thunderstorm activity out towards the west. That's with the cold front that's going to be moving in overnight. But the bigger severe threat with that cold front is going to be out west in eastern Iowa. As we get towards about 11 o'clock tonight, that's when those showers do move on in, and a couple of isolated thunderstorms are also possible as we head into our Friday morning. You can see as we continue into midday Friday, rain chances do continue before we dry out following that cold frontal passage heading into tomorrow evening. Now, let's get right to that severe threat tonight. We fortunately didn't have to deal with severe weather this morning, but we do have a chance tonight. You can see the Storm Prediction Center has placed the entire state line area underneath that marginal risk, which is a level 1 of 5 in the categories for severe weather. Higher threat for severe weather out towards eastern Iowa, but the main threats, if any, that come with severe weather tonight are going to be small-sized hail and strong winds. And of course, we're going to be dealing with heavy rain with those thunderstorms as they move over the area. But following that cold front, temperatures tumble into our Friday afternoon. You can see we're going to have a midnight high of 66 degrees, but once that cold front starts to make its way in, winds will switch to the northwest and temperatures get pretty cold as we head towards midday tomorrow, only looking at highs in the upper 40s. Heading into tomorrow afternoon. 70 degrees today, morning rain giving way to a dry but windy afternoon. That'll help temperatures get in the low 70s. We cool down for the upcoming weekend and stay cool into the start of next week. Back to you.